Hey guys, here is 100% rayon. And how I knew was, I took a piece of fiber from here, took it out, burnt it, and it smelled like burning paper. Rayon is not supposed to be cleaned with water. But we have these coffee stains, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to see if we can get those out. You want one of these?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna show you is rayon after you vacuum it, front, back, and then you can use this as an eraser, basically. You can clean like this, and you'll notice it'll clean it really well. Of course, I've not vacuumed it, right? But you can see the dirt on there. Be less dirt after you vacuum it. And then when you see spots, as long as it's not damaged from water, it's gonna come right out if it's dirt. So like, let's take this for an example, right? This could be that coffee that's over there. But if it isn't, it's dirt, then I can just erase it like this. See that?
Yeah, right.
Pretty much. A little bit more. Yeah, let's try that one.
Right up.
Let's try that one.
Mm-hmm.
Still got dirt in there. I'll use this so you can see better. Okay, and then you can use it like an eraser too, like this. And just go different directions to make sure that I got all sides of the fiber. Looks like we got the coffee out. We still have some water damage, right? It's probably expensive, huh?
She says it's about $3,000.
2,000. Yeah, so you pretty much have to figure out how to clean it, really.
Yeah.
You know, if it was cheap, then you can throw it away.
Would a dry cleaning solvent? I didn't mean to put you to work, Cat.
Oh no, no worries. So, just a little heads up. You really need to be a professional to be able to use this, and you need training. First thing you have to do is ventilate, because it's a solvent. Otherwise, it'll circulate.
Yeah.
So this is no water at all, just a solvent with the detergent, basically. Making it budge a little bit, which tells me it could also be some kind of a solvent spill, which is fine. Looks like it's pretty much gone.
Yeah, definitely took it out. Sponge and a dry solvent on any spots. The whole rug.
This sponge will clean it. I don't know why it wasn't working on that one, but it worked on the other one. But it's, you know, it just depends on what kind of stain it is at this point.
Yeah,
And you know you can't use water. Water-based stain, that should disappear.
Yeah.
How's that?
That's good.
I'm gonna use the solvent here to see if I can have that budge. Because it could be a solvent-based stain, but I greatly doubt it. Some kind of a damage for sure. A little better, but not much. That's good.
I think it looks a lot better, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
So why do you think this isn't coming out?
I mean, my best guess would be because it's that tannin stain in there that.
What did the customer say she did to her?
Well, she put a carbona, she says, on it. I mean, that could have, possibly set the stain. She had done more damage than good to it.
Yeah. But I think we did a pretty good job lightening it up.
Definitely a lot lighter for sure.
Seems like it's almost coming out now. No machine, just my hands.
Mm-hmm.
Just needs a little bit more on that.
It's definitely much lighter, much lighter.
You don't realize how you start sweating every time you clean carpets. It's like uncontrollable sweat. So that's a lot better.
Absolutely.
Let's see if I can get that one out with a sponge. This one. That could be something else. Got it. A little better. Good exercise.
For sure.
Burn some calories. What do you say? It's gone.
Yeah, looks a lot
That one's
better
gone.
for sure.
Probably just have to keep working on it to make it completely disappear, but it's probably 90% gone now.
That's a huge difference right there. Huge.
I'll take $1.99 for this.
You got it. You earned it.
How much would you charge for this rug?
I mean, normally I start out at around $3.50 a square foot, unless there's issues with it, and I would consider this an issue. You know, I mean, if there's urine or if there were, I mean, I know that's coffee.
Oh, it's my sweat now.
Yeah, that looks much, much better.
Without damaging, right? Because that's the key. If I put water on it, I'm going to damage it no matter what. And that's one thing I'm not going to do. Because it'll all probably turn the same color and look terrible. How's it look from the video? Can you see it better from there?
Yeah, it looks good. It looks great. It looks, if we do a before and after from the beginning too, you can see.
So you still see it, in other words. I don't really see much from this side.
No, it's just the, you know how shading the
made.
pile, exactly. So if we just get the pile in the right direction, I think there are certain times where I can't see anything.
And we're looking directly at that spot too. I
Yeah.
think if you spun this around, you vacuumed it, and I'll bet you if you
Have a hard time
you time,
finding
you
it
have a hard
again.
time finding it,
Yeah.
for sure.
So I can repeat it. Just keep getting better and better.
Yep, yep.
No damage though. That's the key.
All right.
What do you say?
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right,
Wow,
here's
20
extreme
years.
close-up. That's the spot. See, it's pretty much disappeared now.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.